We have called different leaders from our traditional heads, Rangbashnongs, our religious leaders from different religious groups, and different members of civil society and different NGOs to discuss, to appeal, to inform them, and to ask them that we need to stand together in these difficult times as a state and as citizens. These are challenging times, but with society and with all of us being together, we will overcome this situation. And as I mentioned, the government of Meghalaya will be firm and will take necessary action, whatever that is required, to ensure that justice is done and those people who are responsible for this action are taken against them. Appeal to them that that we need to work together in order to overcome the situation. I shared with them the different steps that the government has taken and will be taking, and informed them about the incident and the details of the incident, whichever details we have till now. And some very good and positive suggestions have come from their end. And most importantly, all the members who are present out here from the religious groups, from the Rangbashnongs, and also from different civil society and NGOs, we have taken a resolution and an appeal, rather I should say, an appeal together, unitedly, appealing to everybody that we need to maintain peace and law and order in the state, and that we should work together so that we can overcome the situation. But I can tell you one thing, that we will be going and meeting the Honorable Home Minister and placing our demands and placing the necessary points that we have from our side to the Government of India for necessary action. In the MUKROH village, and in fact, as I mentioned, the incident where it happened was very much within Meghalaya. Apart from the 6 people who have lost their lives, we have reports that 2 are seriously injured. And apart from that, other minor injuries, we don't have the exact count with us right now, but 2 more people are seriously injured. So there's 6 who have lost their lives and 2 are quite seriously injured.